Alright guys, we are finishing up a new mini split install. This room here is actually a guest room. It's not used very often. And then over here we have one that covers the kitchen area right here. And I'll just go over above everybody's head. It covers a little kitchen area. We have a dining room. And then here in the dining room we have one strategically placed up above the TV. This one's an 18K. And then we come back here. I believe the kitchen is a 9K and that first room was a 6. And then we have one for this bedroom, a little bedroom. This one has a 6. And the bathroom doesn't have anything. It should be fine. Lots of cooling in this house. We have another one here. This is another 6. And we have another one here. Another 6 here. And whoa, this little cleaner dude. And then there is a 9 here. And this one here covers the masters. There's a bathroom here, but it also throws onto them over there. So that's the inside. Let's go look at the outside. Alright guys, so this is the kitchen, and we actually used a pump on this one, which I rarely do, but we used a pump because we didn't want anything to come down, and I didn't really have anywhere to put a drain line here with this siding and then the concrete. So we used the pump on this one right here. It is in the very front of the home, which the road is right up there. And let's look over here. We have essentially 2 zones out here. So this one here goes down, dives right underneath the house. Same with this one. And then we used the side of the house over here to run a couple of our zones that were up. One's coming out of the attic, which is the kitchen one, diving underneath. This is for one of the bedrooms. We didn't want to put it on the front of the house. And then you have one zone over there that is coming from the master. And then let's go look underneath. Alright guys, and here is the outdoor unit. It is a 4-ton hyperheat. Now this unit it's 104 degrees outside today. There is, I believe, all 7 zones right now indoors are calling. It is in somewhat of a space where it's going to be a little louder than normal. So you might be able to hear that running. It does have a little bit of noise to it. Very, very little though. If you were up on the deck right there, I don't think it would bother you. Considering most ACs right now on a 105 degree day are very, very loud. Now let's just take a look inside here. We'll see how the branch boxes and everything lined out. They had an existing system here. All their ductwork was down here, and they had, it's actually a 2016 Linux package unit out here on the ground. It's brand new, and we abandoned it. Refrigerant lines, you can see that all their ductwork is in here on our little bitty refrigerant lines. And there's our 1 branch boxes right there. And then as you come down here, so we have a couple of little refrigerant lines that come over here. We go into what's called a splitter, which is right there, and that allows us to go into another branch box there and feeds all of our zones going down from there. So I'll show you the existing equipment that they have. And so here's their existing system. This was a looks like it's probably a 5-ton package Linux on the ground. Was out here a while back. Had a heat exchanger issue. You can see it had extremely hard carbon monoxide. The installing company actually came back out and changed out the heat exchanger because it was under warranty. But ultimately, this thing was just sucking too much juice and costing them too much money, and the propane bills were way too high, and they had to heat and cool the entire home whenever only 1 or 2 people were there. And so, beautiful property. Alright guys, so thanks for watching.